Crude oil and net gas both started the week on a bearish note. We have seen specifically a strong gap down by net gas, while crude oil consistently traded bearish and hit the support levels at 76. Now, finding the support, it is trying to recover here. Can we expect a reversal from here? While natural gas, which is also find its support at 3.4, is now looking forward to a recovery. So, what to expect today from oil and gas? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. This is the only channel to give you two updates a day for crude oil and net gas. Thus, watch the next one before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first oil followed with gas. If you look at oil on the hourly chart, see, first of all, after this rise, I still see that this is a retracement, though it has achieved lower lows, but it has come down to the support levels at 76, which is indeed a very good support. Now, if you draw a line, you can see there is a virtual line which is present here, which is registering or stopping oil to break past by. And now, again, on the upside, the levels at 76, 7.6, 78 are going to play a major role. Only and only if you see oil trading above 77.6 and 78 zone, you can say that the bulls will be active here. The moving average is crossing over here, indeed is a bearish sign. Also, you can see a bit of resistance here from the 50 and 100 period moving average. So I will definitely watch out. Now, see, also notice 20 period right now is providing it a support. Any drop below 76 is only the sign of bearishness, else we can expect a bounce back and a breakout on the upside. Stochastic rising. MACD, after hitting the bottom, has crossed over, trading with divergence. It can possibly recover here, while the RSI is running flat at the median levels. Coming to on the 2-hour chart, the observation is same. The crossover here is important. After the crossover, the prices are under retracement. Now look at the last two candles. The bullishness I found is diminishing here. Very important for oil to break beyond now 77.2 and then 77.6. If these two levels are taken, then 78 levels. Now these three levels on the upside are very crucial. Any breakout beyond this should be a sign of reversal. Definitely beyond this, you can expect a stronger recovery here, else it is trading bearish, delivering lower lows, lower highs. The lows are now towards 75.4. If it stays below 76, certainly you can say more bearishness to prevail. Stochastic rising. MACD is at the bottom. It is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can indicate a stronger reversal, but only thing is it needs to break out the critical resistances on the upside, and that is there till 78. You have to exercise extra caution. RSI is rising. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour chart, similar observation. See, first here on the 3-hour charts, moving averages have converged but not yet crossed over. They are still in green, and every convergence does not mean that it is showing signs of reversal. But yes, right now you can see a good dip is seen here, and now wait for a breakout either which ways. I can see this as a nice flag here. So wait for a breakout, and that will confirm a reversal. So staying above 78 is where you can say more bullishness, and then 78.6 is a confirmation of further reversal, further rise. Stochastic is rising. MACD has seen a very good dip. It is trying to converge. I will wait for it to cross over in order to confirm the reversal here. This can lead to a stronger rally which can take the oil prices above 80 here. Be mindful of this. RSI rising after the drop. Coming to the 4 oil on the 4-hour chart, see, after the dip it is trying to retrace, it is trying to bounce back, and here also the moving averages have converged but not yet crossed over. Look at this beautiful formation here, and the lower lows and lower highs here. So this is where these levels towards 77.6, 78 are going to play a major role here. Now this is under retracement. Wait for it to stay above 77.2 and then 77.5, 77.6. These are the two key levels, and then 78 the third one. Stochastic rising, and right now MACD trading bearish, trying to converge. RSI running flat. Coming to the day, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, look at this single candle, and then now it has taken 3 candles for it to erase the gains from this candle. Now third thing here is the divergence of the price from the moving averages. Yes, the moving averages are come down towards the support levels now at 75. The price is attempted to move towards 20 period and now trying to bounce back. So it is possible that from these levels we can expect a recovery here. Now see, it was too much of divergence. Now the moving averages anyways are trading with divergence and looking bullish. So if today at any point of time, if you see oil trading beyond 77.678 zone, certainly that is the time you can say now the prices have reversed, else we can expect a move towards this. Let's see. The stochastic has dropped. MACD, which was trading with divergence, it is now starting to converge. A crossover here can lead to reversal. It is not that it cannot rise further, but at this point, every time when MACD on the oil reaches these levels, it tries to reverse. So this is the only worry point I am having. RSI is also coming out of the overbought zone here. So consider, I will only recommend you to buy if you see oil staying above 77.2 levels, and beyond that you can expect 77.5, 77.6 as the first target zone, 78 as the next. If it stays above 78, stay bullish here in, chances will be high that we can look forward to 79.2, 79.8 and $80 levels as the next targets. Beyond that, extreme bullishness may prevail here. Right now it is trying to trade with slight bearishness, and now if you see it is staying below 76.4, you can take a selling entry. But then I will say the strongest support for oil now is at 76, 76, and breaking below this 75.4, 75.5. If these two levels are taken, 75 is the third till 75, because that is also the median of the bullish and the 20 period average. So oil is striking the zone again, can reverse, though I do not expect this to happen. I see that possibly it can try to bounce back. Let's see, but that's just trade as per the levels till 75. Be cautious with the sells. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural. See what natural gas did yesterday. It has given a gap down and it is now seen taking the support from 3.45 and trying to bounce back. Now it is very important for it to stay above 3.5 to 3.55 zone, which is going to be the first resistance zone, and then 3.6. At any point of time today, if you see natural gas is staying above 3.6, you can just stay bullish from here. You can expect it to move towards 3.7, 3.8, and in fact $4 levels in this week itself. Yes, it is shown a greater support here. Wait for it to give you a breakout here. See, the moving averages are definitely trading with divergence and staying bearish, and that is why till 3.6 you have to exercise extra caution. Stochastic rising, MACD rising after hitting the bottom, RSI is also rising here. On the 2 hour charts, if you, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. Finding the support, it is trying to bounce back. Let it fill the gap here, and once it stays beyond 3.5 to 3.55 zone, I think we can look forward to a greater recovery towards 3.5 with 3.6 zone, which should be the next milestone. Right now, if you notice what is happening here, after every rise it is offset with a drop, and see, this is the third to fourth time it has moved towards 3.45. First, second, third, this has now become a stronger support. The repeated times a price is getting striken and then it is getting support, the more stronger the support becomes, and now it is trying to bounce back from the same. So now you know that any bearishness today in natural gas is if and only if it trades below 3.45. The stochastic rising, MACD has hit a bottom, first wave, second wave, and it has just crossed over. It can deliver a third bullish wave from here, which means 3.55, 3.6 levels. RSI trying to bounce back, coming to 3. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. A very good support is created. It is trying to reverse, and this is the zone it needs to break, which means 3.5 to 3.55. And if and only if it trades beyond the zone till 3.6, it has got greater resistances. Now see, the moving average is crossing over here and are looking downwards. It may take a little time for it to move towards this, and a move beyond 3.6 is a clear sign of reversal here. Stochastic is now looking downwards while the MACD has taken a good dip. It is trying to converge. Wait for a crossover here that will confirm the reversal. RSI trying to bounce back. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Notice it is forming a flat base and it is delivering higher highs. So this suggests that we can see increasing bullishness here in net gas, where it can move towards 3.6 levels today, and in fact higher levels. Let's see how it behaves, but yes, chances are more that we can see a breakout here on the upside. Stochastic comfortable. MACD is trading sharply bearish. Wait for a crossover here, which will confirm the reversal. It may take more candles for it to cross over. RSI at bottom. Coming to on the daily charts, if you look at the charts for net gas, after forming the base here, rise, retracement, rise. This time it is shying away from the higher highs. It is retraced, but in every manner, it has a stronger possibility for it to hit the highs. If you connect the channel here and see, this is how it has been trading. This is a long running bullish channel here. Now, what is happening here? It has found its support at 3.45, trying to bounce back. Now, to 20 period moving average is what we need to wait for it to break beyond, which means if it stays beyond 3.55, we can look forward to a move towards 3.6, and that will confirm the a reversal process here, because see, after the rise it is forming a nice flag and it can now bounce back from here, and thus any move beyond 3.8 should be an indication of a movement towards $4 levels in natural gas. The stochastic at bottom, see, this is the only worry point for me. MACD just crossing over here, and it is not that it cannot reverse, but yet right now it is crossed over on the sell side and looking downwards. RSI has dropped. So now considering this, I will only recommend you to buy net gas at 3.5 to expect 3.5556 at the first target level, 3.6 at the next. Only and only if you see net gas staying above 3.6, you can stay bullish from here, expect 3.7, 3.8 at the next. While on the downside, a selling entry can be taken at 3.45. Below 3.45, you can take a sell, expect it to move towards 3.4, 3.3635 at the next, and if that is taken, then I think we are looking forward to a greater correction towards 3.35, 3.26 levels. Chances for which appears to be less. Still, take your trades accordingly, trade with the levels, trade with the stop loss and the trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.